Did you know, people only wear, they only wear 20% of their clothes?
Wait, what? 20%?
Yeah, like you look in your closet and it is full, right?
Oh, totally full. I have like way too many shirts.
Exactly, but you only wear the same 5 shirts every week.
Okay, wow, that is so true. Why do we do that, Luna?
Because buying clothes is, well, it's actually really hard.
Hard? I mean, you just go to the store and pay money, right?
No. Welcome to English Pod Center, by the way. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas.
And today we are talking about buying clothes.
Yes, shopping. I really like shopping.
But you buy bad clothes, Lucas.
Hey, well, maybe sometimes.
So the big problem is people do not know how to try things on.
Wait, try things on? What is that?
Yes, to put the clothes on your body in the store before you buy them.
Oh, I get it. Like to see if it is too big or too small.
Exactly. You need to go to the fitting room.
The fitting room, right.
It's like a tiny box with a very big mirror.
A very hot tiny box. I hate fitting rooms.
Me too. But you have to ask the worker, can I try this on?
Can I try this on? Okay, that is easy to say.
Very easy. But then people do not know the word fit.
Fit? Like going to the gym and lifting weights?
No, not gym fit. Clothes fit.
Okay, I don't get it. What is clothes fit?
If a shirt fits, it is the right size. Not too big, not too small.
Oh, now I get it. It fits, like a key in a door.
Yes, great example, Lucas.
Wow, look at me. I'm so smart today.
Don't get too happy, because people still buy clothes that do not fit.
Right. Like, I bought these yellow pants last week.
Oh no, yellow pants.
Yeah, they looked so cool in the store.
Did you try them on in the fitting room?
No, I just bought them.
See, that is exactly the problem.
And I got home and I could not breathe. They were so small.
They didn't fit.
They did not fit. My legs looked like yellow hot dogs.
Yellow hot dogs. Oh my gosh, Lucas.
It was really bad. So what do I say to the store worker?
If it is too small, you say, do you have a bigger size?
Do you have a bigger size? Okay.
Or you say, do you have a size large?
Right. Large, medium, small.
Exactly. SML. Very easy.
But what if the colors are bad together?
Ah, that is a different word. That word is match.
Match? Like a football match?
No, Lucas, not a sports game.
Oh, wait, what then?
Colors match, like blue and black. They look really good together.
Oh, so yellow pants and a red shirt.
Do not match. You look like McDonald's.
Hey, I love McDonald's, but I don't want to look like it.
Exactly. So remember, fit is for size, match is for color.
Wow. Fit is size, match is color. That is so simple.
Right, see? English is, it's easy when you know the trick.
Yeah, okay. So I find a shirt, it matches my pants.
Good.
What do I do next? Do I just, buy it?
No, never just buy it. You have to try it on first.
Try it on? Like, put it on my body?
Exactly. You put it on to see if it, if it fits.
Oh, I put it on right there in the store in front of people?
No, Lucas. Oh my gosh. No, you go to the fitting room.
The fitting room?
Yeah, a fitting room is a small room in the store, just for you.
Oh, a room for fitting. That makes so much sense.
You close the door and try the clothes on.
Good, because changing in the store is, well, bad.
Very bad. Please use the fitting room.
Okay, but wait, what if I am in a hurry?
Like you have no time?
Yeah, no time for the fitting room. I just buy the shirt.
Okay.
I go home, I try it on. It is too small. What do I do?
Oh, that is easy. You take it back, you return it.
Return it. Give it back to the store?
Yes, but you need one very important thing.
More money?
No, you already paid. You need the receipt.
The receipt?
No, receipt. You don't say the P.
Wait, what?
Spell it for me.
RECEIPT.
Why is there a P if we don't say it?
I don't know, Lucas. English is just crazy sometimes.
That is so silly. So I just say receipt?
Yes, perfect. A receipt is the small paper they give you.
The paper that says, like, how much I paid?
Exactly. It shows you bought the shirt. No receipt, no return.
Wow, no receipt, no return. I will remember that.
It is like a ticket. You need a ticket to ride a train, right?
Yeah, of course.
So you need a receipt to return clothes.
I love that. A receipt is a ticket for clothes.
Sure, let's go with that.
Okay, so we learned fit, match, try on, fitting room, and receipt.
That is a lot of good words. Let's do a quick test.
Oh no, a test? Like right now? For me?
No, not just for you, for the listeners too.
Oh good, listeners, help me please.
Okay, listeners, think about this. If your shirt is too small, does it not fit or not match?
Oh, I know.
Shh, Lucas, let them think. Okay, tell them.
It does not fit because fit is about size.
Yes, good job. Now, what do you need to take it back to the store?
The paper with the silent P, the receipt.
Perfect. You are ready to go shopping, Lucas.
I am. I am going to buy a red shirt and yellow pants.
Oh no, the McDonald's outfit again.
I like it. Listeners, tell me, what is your favorite color to wear?
Yes, tell us in the comments. And please, don't say red and yellow.
Hey, it is a great match.
It really isn't. Anyway, if you learned something new today, make sure to follow us.
Yes, subscribe to English Pod Center for more fun English lessons. See you next time.